Namaskar, I'm Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodie. Today I'm making chicken farcha. Chicken farcha is Parsi style deep fried chicken. Let's get started. I'm starting off with making the marinade. Now here in this mixing jar, I'm adding these garlic cloves, ginger, dried red chilies, white vinegar and salt to taste. Put the lid on and make a paste. So this is the consistency we required. If you need, add a teaspoon of water, not much. In this bowl, I have chicken drumsticks pieces, skin off. You can use any big chicken pieces with the bone. Now I'm sprinkling salt and then I'm going to add this cumin powder, coriander powder, next red chili powder, Garam masala powder. Now I'm going to add this marinade, but before that I'll save a little bit of marinade. Add a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, then mix well. Now to make the chicken pieces more flavorful, what you can do that give some cuts on the chicken pieces before you add the marinade. Alright, now cover it and let it marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours, if possible overnight. Now for next step, we need eggs. Crack the eggs one by one. Add the marinade which we saved earlier. Add a little bit of salt and beat the eggs. Now in this shallow bowl, I have fine semolina. Add little bit of salt for the semolina. Then add a pinch of cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and garam masala powder. Basically all the spices which we added in the chicken. Now mix well. In this cooking pot, I have preheated some vegetable oil for deep fry. All prep work is done. So now take one piece of marinated chicken, roll into the semolina, give gentle pressure to stick the semolina flour on the chicken pieces and then shake off the excess semolina flour. Now dip into the egg mixture and then drop the chicken piece in the hot oil. Repeat with the remaining pieces and as always, do not overcrowd the pan. Add one more and over medium-low heat, first fry for 5 minutes and then turn the other side. This will help to stick the coating on the chicken pieces. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to fry one batch. Now, if you want to reduce the cooking time, then you can microwave the marinated chicken for 5 minutes, or maybe you can cook on the pan, let them cool, then fry them. These are done. Let me remove from the oil. Make these spicy fried chicken drumsticks for your coming game night or for a potluck party and enjoy with your favorite sides. I like to serve them with some lachha onion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give this recipe a try and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. And if you enjoy this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to Foodie. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.